What's up, guys? We're creek fishing. We have little lures like that. I took apart some small little soft plastics like that, and I also got a yellow one. And we're gonna see if we can catch something. We went down there earlier, used to a little bit of bigger stuff. They just couldn't eat it. They're trying to though, and we'll see down the creek.
And we got two. We're gonna do live bait too, so we're
yeah.
definitely gonna catch them.
We got a crawdad.
And
yeah. Right now.
We're at the catching of the crawdads here.
You go catch another crawdad, and I'll break on over there. Is there a hook on there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude, that was like the first time
Did you like lift it out of the water?
Yeah. And it came off about 2 feet more. Oh.
Dude, how are they not?
Is it real quick?
Dude, it gets obliterated. Dude, I'm a brother. I swear, I hope they saw that, dude.
We're golden right there.
Just eat it, please.
Dude.
Alright, guys. Well, I'm gonna go catch a crawdad because they really like those crawdads. Well, he fishes the rig.
Alright, it's transferred to me now. Other Jay. I cast it in there. Perfect cast. Oh my lord. I wonder, they might be down there. Hold on. Oh my lord. Oh, oh, I got bit. I'm getting nibbled on right now. He's over there. Oh, re-put that over there. Let me do the same thing I did. Go ahead and. Did you rig up the smaller hook on that one? Oh, we're golden in there. Yeah, look. You can go like this, like. Oh, frick. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cast it in there again. I'm gonna put it over there. Ooh. Oh, I got nibbled. Of course, it like he's right over here, in the same. Let me get this more out there. Oh, I got nibbled. Dude, he just keeps on hitting it. He doesn't even bite it like he used to anymore. Yeah, let me throw on something smaller. Where's the Okay.
Holy cow, I got the absolute perfect.
What?
I got it perfect.
I'm gonna rock with that. That's pretty small. It's like got a small tail. You're getting bit. He's over here. He's over, like, right there.
I think I have to fire the bobber a bit.
No, keep it where it is.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Okay, well then.
We gotta get a fish with that. I'm getting bit.
Oh my.
Yes, I got one! Let's go! Let's go. Here you go.
That's the biggest fish you've ever caught here.
You sir? Apparently it's the biggest. That's what he's been here the whole time, dude. I wonder what this is, man. There's thumbnail. Alright.
Let me see that thing.
Should I take him back?
Is that a bass?
Yeah, I think it's a bass.
That's a bass.
Here, throw him back.
Film it.
Yep, he's out there back safe. There you go.
Bro, let's
go. I knew it had to be smaller. That was the smallest one I saw. It was.
Did you have to set it or did he just eat it?
He ate it. I honestly was just like back to normal. Like, because I was just ready for him to just like take it and leave it and take it and leave it. And he just had it. And I saw him like shake his head like and come out the water. So I knew I had him on. I'm gonna throw it back out there. I'll probably catch him again.
Oh, you lost your bait?
Yeah. It just fell off. Alright, well.
I should have hooked it to the shell.
We'll catch you in the next spot. There's no way. Now we just catch a crawdad on the he did not want. That's a good size one too.
He's gonna be used as bait too.
Yeah, he's gonna. That's crazy. Well, we'll catch you next spot. I think crawdad's gonna do really good here. We're here now at our next spot. He fell off the log over there earlier, and we're getting tons of bites, but then they just stopped.
Oh my god, I swear I had him. That's way easier. Put him off, just twist the tail off.
Okay.
And then hook him through the shell.
Alright.
Oh,
You got one? Yes, sir. What's this one?
he choked it.
Is it deep in there?
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
he choked that thing, dude.
There you go. For that size. All right. Let me get this. All right.
He really saw choked that thing.
No. Down here in the middle. Dude, it keeps on spinning when I cast it. Like,
Yeah, pull out the line.
that was way too fast.
So we're back here. It's just me right now, actually. Unfortunately, the other Jay did have to go. We do have a hook. We have the same color worm. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a tail, so if it doesn't work, we'll use a different one. We're at the same spot where we caught the biggest fish that we've ever caught in this creek. So hopefully we get good up here. First cast of the day, actually. Not feeling any nibbles right now. This thing gets hit so good back here. Yeah, it's already getting destroyed right now. It's getting caught up on sticks because it's not weedless right now. I feel like I should make it weedless. I'm gonna do a couple more casts and all though. Oh, getting bit. Got one. That's another good one there, boys. Look at that. That's another one. That was a quick bite, too. That's actually a nice bass. Or actually had to fight him, which was actually, that was actually fun. It's actually a pretty nice bass. He did choke it. No. Unfortunately, he did swallow it. I'll be floating in a second. RIP. Well, yep, that was one fish. Yeah, he's not gonna be alive soon, but we did end up catching a fish already. How many minutes? 2 minutes into filming. All right, boys, it's time to move down. Oh no! Oh shoot! Must have stepped on him. It's okay though. Time to move down. We're gonna move upstream. Put it that way. We're at this spot here. I've never fished at this spot. I can see some fish, but usually if you can see them. Oh my god, I got bit immediately. Oh no. All right, they're here, boys. First cast here as well. They're here. Put that pretty much same spot. Before he gets bit like that again. Yep, come on, get it. You got it? No, I saw him too. All right, I'm calling it. This is the cast. I'm calling it. Yup. What'd I say? What'd I say? What did I say? I called it. I don't know how he ate it. I have zero clue how he ate that. Oh, no. Look at this tiny fish. He ate that. That's insane. I called it. I did call it. And he gone. Alright, well. We caught one. I don't know how he ate that. We put it. We're gonna move up here to this spot, and if we don't catch anything, we'll move back down. Look at this, guys. This looks perfection. You just get a nice juicy cast in there. Already. Oh my god, that was a tank. Oh, he didn't eat it. That was a tank, dude. Already, yeah? More bites? More bites? Come on, more. What's... No! Dude, this is actually insane. I think I gotta set it on him there. Yeah, see, he's not eating it. Hold on, I'm gonna expose the hook real quick, actually. And then he just doesn't eat it. Got him. Let's go, dude. Yes. That's a good one, dude. That's a good one. Finally. No way he choked that one too, dude. There's no way. There's actually just no way. Okay, I think there you go. Alright, guys. We got a nice one out of this spot. I think this is a bass, because you can tell by the yellow stripes. He's trying to go back in the water, and there he goes. He's right there. Let's see if we can try and get him again. It'd be funny. He looks way smaller in the water. Alright, guys. We're going to try and get one more here, because we've got two already. If we catch one more here, we'll go back to the old spot, try and fish there a little bit more. Fishing here for 5 minutes. Caught fish. The most action we've ever had. Look, it's getting destroyed. Thinking this is the one I was gonna pull out. This one right here. This is absolutely it's a nice color, small presentation. It's gonna stick out It's not gonna stick out like that green one did, but it's gonna stick out. It's gonna have more action than the green one. The only thing that's better is that the green one was smaller. I mean, this is still obviously a really small presentation still. Let's see if we can get a nibble here. Back off real quick.
Thanks for watching this creek fishing video. Catch the next one. We've done this before, but just used live bait and caught smaller ones. But hope you like it.
We're gonna be doing squirrel hunting. We're gonna try to post once every 2 weeks or once every week because we're starting school again. But we're gonna do squirrel hunting next for sure with the new stand. And yeah, that's it.
See ya.